నా క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది.
Scenario HTTP to RFC. Send the request to HTTP. I'm getting back the response from ECC. We have taken a function paper underscore company underscore get detail. We give the company ID as a request, getting back the response as name, state, city, country. Like this, there are so many BAPI functions are there. BAPIs are remote enabled RFCs, and you can use custom BAPIs also. Any BAPI you can use, and you can able to get the response back. Now we'll see the same scenario like HTTP to RFC, HTTP call. Now we'll take SOAP in the center side. Up to integration repository, everything same. So SOAP is not a physical system. We create a business component for SOAP and we send the request as web service document. This is actually we require some other tools to create a web service document, and we'll be sending that. Now, web service document creation procedure is available in XI. To send that visible to the receiver, we require some software. I'm using one software here. We'll see how to send the request, how to get the response back. It's similar to HTTP to RFC, same like HTTP to RFC, up to integration repository, up to end of the integration repository. Only difference is in the integration directory. Actually, we didn't require the sender communication channel sender agreement with the HTTP, but in SOAP, sender communication channel sender agreement also required. We will see everything. Anyway, we'll see the first scenario. Once again, we'll start with the SLD. We complete all these things. Creating product and software component. Sender side, don't find anything. Receiver side, escape system. So sender side, don't have anything. Go to repository. receive data cache. Same way we need to import RFC. So to RFC 10. Import lockers. company underscore get detail, continue, and then finish. See, as it is same in the repository, what we seen yesterday, same way we need to create a request response data types, dt underscore request, response. Name state city, then message type, request, response, then message interface. My service interface required only for sender. Receiver side we have BAPI company get detail. That too, this is synchronous. Say underscore soap sync 10, outbound synchronous. When it is synchronous, it will ask the request and response message types. Request what you sent, that is empty underscore request, company ID, response to getting back, empty underscore response, name, state, city, country, those details, and then save. The same way we require two mappings, request mapping and response mapping, like yesterday what we did. Repository as it is, same, underscore request, so that is empty request to BAPI company get detail. Company to BAPI company get detail, company to company ID, empty request to BAPI company get detail. mapping, response mapping. That means BAPI company get detailed dot response to actual response. BAPI company get detailed dot response to actual response. The response will be getting back to our response. Okay, like this we map. Then so here soap to RFC, interface of soap what we created s underscore soap syncs 10. Then interface of receiver SAP, nothing but BAPI company get detail. And then read interfaces, read operations. So you'll find request and response. In the request, give the request mapping. In the response, give the response mapping. This is repository. Data types, message type, service interface, do mappings, operation mapping, right. Then directory. Scenarios. business component for sender, spelled ABS underscore soap. Then create sender side. Give the interface of soap what we created. If it is confusing, check with your software component and namespace. The interface of sender what we created. Save. So this is the sender business component. So the receiver side, SAP. For that we need to go to object view, expand all the business systems and SAP SRD, assign scenario, soap done, assign, and then save. So center side business component, receiver side business system. So in Egypt RFC, there is a software available, HTTP client adapter, to send the request, get back the response. Okay, so we don't have any software. We need to create a communication channel for sender, agreement for sender. Means everything required here. So I'm creating communication channel for sender. SOAP adapter, center side. So internally, the transfer protocol HTTP, message protocol SOAP 1.1, adapt engine, center adapt engine. So inbound security, all these are details default available. So nothing to change. So previously in 7.0 now you need to give something, interface and other things. That is also not required here. And then save cursor. It's active. And then save. Then communication channel for receiver. Application server, system member, log on user, address also or host name if you know. Things okay. Server 51 password. Right. Then receiver determination. Sender is soap. Interface of sender SS soap sync 10. Click on create and its communication and configure receiver for the sender is SAP, that is SAP PH4 and then say then interface determination, right click name, sender, sender interface, receiver, it lost the operational mapping. Then this is interface of the receiver. And then save. Then sender agreement. Receiver agreement. Sender. Receiver. Mapping and details of interface. Receiver communication channel. This is the directory part. Right. So we need to SSI cache, runtime cache, start delta cache refresh. It's working fine. Then cc underscore rfc underscore. So that is also working fine. Now you can test the scenario. So soap to RFC will be sending a request as a web service document, getting back the response. Now we need to create a web service document. To create the web service document, we need to take one URL. So this is the URL available. http:// host port access soap adapter message servlet channel is equal party service channel. This is predefined, given already. So http:// the host name is visuinfo xi or host name, PSL or host name is visuinfo. You want to check out. This is the host name of PA. Then 57,000 the port number, JT port number. Access soap adapter same, message servlet same, channel same, is equal, if it is party, you give the party name. You're not using any party, you're using business service. Then this is service, so double quote, service BS underscore soap 10 and communication channel CC underscore soap 10. So copy this URL, copy this, then go to integration directory. Go to integration directory, tools, display wisdom. Display wisdom. This is actually created. This wizard enables you to create web service document .wst. So continue, and here give the URL, just paste it here. Just now what we copied. Same thing. http://pi port number message servlet channel is equal business service and communication channel. Then click on continue. It lost the select the service interface you want to publish from ES repository. You require service interface name, interface of sender. This is the interface now. Service interface is S underscore this one. S underscore soap sync time. Automatically you'll get the namespace and software component version. Then click on continue. Then it was the define the sender of the message information. Okay, so this is actually sender business component, that is BS underscore soap done. Continue. Then click on finish to create the web service document. So now web service document created. You need to save this somewhere. Save this. I'm saving this on my desktop. save. Now this is web service document created. Now we'll be sending now the request from this web service document, getting back the response. For that we have some tools called Alto XML Spy or SOAP user interface, SOAP UI, the latest tool. Any tools, externals or external tools related to VA. In real time also they put these tools in one system and they manage from that system only. So anyway, I have Alto XML Spy. It's actually a low trial version. Luckily it's working. It's the old one. It's not asking update. Then open this Alto XML Spy. So create new SOAP request. Create new SOAP request. Browse. Select the file from the desktop. Open. Okay. Okay. This is company ID. Five zeros one. Company ID 501. This is company ID I'm sending. Then SOAP send request to server. Send request to server. Close the username and password. Then what happened is whenever we send request server, the request sent to server, that is company ID, getting back the response. That response will be getting. Now this is untitled 1.xml. So here you get untitled 2.xml with the name, state, city, country next to this. So that is this is a request and that is a response. Sometimes it works, sometimes internally. These systems are all not properly installed servers. These are ghost machines. Sometimes web services, problem with these web services. But it is working. It's taking too much time. Username and password. Okay. See, you give the username and password. So you get this name, state, city, country as a response. This is name, this is state, city, and this is country. Untitled1.xml is request. Untitled2.xml is response. This is very, very important real time. Direct HTTP calls normally we don't use. We use the SOAP calls, web service documents. So try to do this. This is an example for web service. these two examples, HTTP to RFC, SOAP to RFC, these are web services examples. But normally we use SOAP, but it's similar to HTTP to RFC. Then tomorrow we'll see. Tomorrow means Monday. So want me to take class on Saturday and Sunday also? Are you ready? Or will see
We'll see on Monday, Shishan. It's okay.
right. Okay then. So go through all these things and see you on Monday. The remaining things are BPM 1, BPM 2, BPM 1 one day it'll take, BPM 2 one day it'll take, and then a proxy plus XLT mapping one day it'll take. So 3 days. That's the remaining things. If you have any queries, other things we'll discuss 1-2 days if you want.
Okay.